you live from the past. It's the morning of Friday, November 12th. It's my daddy's birthday. Happy birthday, Daddy! Anyway, last weekend, I made a big old pot of chili for a party that we had here. And I was thinking I was gonna have some left. And it was gone. Everybody ate it. None left, no leftovers, and now I'm craving chili. So this morning before I go to work, I'm gonna start a pot of chili and I'm gonna show y'all how it's done. Now look, you wanna know the recipe? Like it, share it, make a comment, follow me, do something, and I'll send you a link to the actual recipe. But look, it's gonna be real easy to follow and you can make your own recipe how you like it. So here we go. All right, first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take some beans and I'm gonna rinse them and get all the juice out of them. If you don't like beans in your chili, don't put beans in your chili. I like beans. And get all that juice out. Some nice clean beans, some clean beans. All right, next thing is I'm gonna brown some meat. So I got some ground meat right there. After that brown, I'm gonna brown a little bit of stew meat. All right, while that meat's browning, we're gonna take them beans that we already rinsed. Put that in a crock pot. Yeah, that's right, I said a crock pot. Crock pots are easy. You ain't got to stir none of that. Just put it in there, you set it and forget it like Ron Popeil. Oh yeah, look, it comes out good. Trust me. Oh yeah, it's browned up nice and good. So we're gonna brown that stew meat next. But what we're gonna do with this, I'm gonna show you. We're gonna put that in a strainer. Whoo, it's hot. Put it in a strainer, and we're gonna rinse that and get all the fat off. We don't want no greasy chili. All right, stew meat's going in. Gonna brown up that stew meat. Y'all ain't never had stew meat in a chili. Y'all missing out. Y'all need to try it. Brown that. All right, so now that stew meat is nice and brown, we're gonna add that and drain it. We're gonna drain that. All right, we're gonna rinse it real good, get all the fat off of there. Get all the fat off. We don't want no greasy chili. All right, we're gonna add that to the crock pot. Yeah, oh yeah. Next, onions and celery. Some Hunt's tomato sauce. The sauce, not the paste, the sauce. Some diced tomatoes. Some green chilies. And some seasoning. Last thing, some water. Now, I know it don't look good, but trust me, it's gonna be good. You got to stir it up, cover it, and let it low and slow. All right, like I said, cover it, let it go low and slow. By the time it's ready to eat tonight, it's gonna be all right. Oh yeah, it's ready now. Been cooking on low and slow all day. Oh yeah, look at that. I'm gonna put that on a baked potato. And that's how you make LonnDogg's to that chili. I call it to that because you always got to go back for seconds. All right, y'all. Bye-bye.